grilled chicken and veggie wrap. In this bowl, I've added some balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, a little honey, some Dijon, a little dried basil, and now I'm adding some salt and pepper. And I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I'm gonna marinate. Whisk it up. I'm gonna add my chicken. All right, so I'm just gonna let my chicken sit in the marinade for about 30 minutes, room temp. And while it's marinating, I'm gonna cut up some veggies, grill it up, and then assemble my wrap. So I'm gonna let this chill out on my back counter while I grab my veggies. Red pepper, yellow pepper, red onion, and Chinese eggplant. A Chinese eggplant has less seeds than your traditional eggplant, so it's a little less bitter. I'm gonna slice my red onion, my yellow pepper, and my red pepper. I'm just gonna salt my veggies. I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. While that sits there, I'm gonna make my goat cheese spread. It's like a whipped herby spread with goat cheese. It has a little tang. So I'm gonna mince 1 clove of garlic in my food processor. Okay. Now I'm going to add my goat cheese. Some chives, I'm gonna add a mild oniony flavor. Some parsley. Just gonna add some more herbiness to this goat cheese spread. A little salt. Gonna add some lemon juice, about half of this lemon. And a little olive oil to help loosen it up. I'm gonna let the food processor do the rest. All right, let me make sure it's good. Creamy, a little tangy, and full of fresh herbs. That's exactly what I wanted. All right, it's time to grill my veggies. First, I'm gonna hit the grill that is very hot with some oil. I'm gonna put my eggplant down first. I'm gonna put a little bit of my peppers and onions back here. So it's gonna be about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides for the eggplants. For the onions and peppers, I want them to be super soft and charred. This is exactly how I want the eggplant to look. It's softened up and it has those beautiful char marks on it. Take these off. And then once this is done, I'm gonna add my chicken and cook it right here on the same grill. Peppers and onions are done. Now I'm gonna add my marinated chicken. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grill this for about 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on how thick your chicken breast is, but 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until the internal temperature reaches 165. That's the safe zone for chicken. All right, my grilled chicken is done. So I have my spinach wraps. So I have 2 wraps here. Take that herby goat cheese spread. I'm gonna slice my chicken now. I'm gonna add some of my eggplant, add my grilled peppers and onions, fold the sides, tuck it in, and slice. That's a juicy wrap.